Hey folks, welcome back to the Etowah Chainsaw Museum. Today we got saw number 7 in the collection, a Homelite 17L from the 50s, and it's in good shape, real good shape. Alright, it's got one of them red Homelite covers for it. Okay. Off and on. Off on top. The way I like it. So you won't accidentally shut it off while you're running. Manual oiler. Let's take this off. What people don't realize about these manual oilers, you don't just squirt it. You'll waste it. You push them in slow. That way it gets on the chain instead of just pouring off on the bar. Alright, good shape. Still got the starting instructions if anybody needs them. Got the original handle. Pulls a little bit though. Got the raised letters on the Homelite. This cover's got a little piece missing, but still a real good example, so I don't care. Carburetor, choke all the way down, half choke in the middle, and choke off up. Throttle locks, actual lever. Okay, start it over. Oh, it's heavy. Or I'm old. Both, probably. Alright. Got the oiler. Chain oil. It's kind of odd. Got fuel shut off on this one. Open that up. We'll try to start it. It's a gear drive. It's got the arrow for how much oil goes in it. And the plate, 17L. There we go. It's got a, I don't know if you can see it, Homelite track hardened bar. It's a fat chain. Chain's kind of loose on this, but I'll show you this. Hard to handle this thing on the tailgate. That's tight as it goes. So I'm going to start it, but I can't really cut nothing with it. There you can see the name on the bar. And it's got a few issues. Got a crack right there. And that's the end of the limiter. Maybe it's got too much wear in the sprocket, or might be the wrong chain. I don't know. But anyway, there we go. It's already been running this morning. I've got it out and got it going, so let's try and start it. Oh, help if we turned it on. There we go. it's running fat, but it ain't been started in quite a while. So there we go. Today's chainsaw, Homelite 17L. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.